Alright, today I'm going to show you guys how to change a background, sleeves, field on Edopro on Windows 10. So this is your background 1, deck background, and your game background. To change that, if you downloaded it from here, the standard installer, you're going to have to go to the files, and it's going to be in your local C and Project Ignis, and it's textures. What I did is I left click, right click, and then pin it to quick access. Now it's in my quick access textures. This is the game background. You have the menu deck. Game background, if you want to pitch black, you just drag it out of there. And let's test it out. There you go. Pitch black, game background. If you want a custom background, you go on Google, you type in whatever background you want. For example, let's get Chiff Gaming playmat background. I picked it because it's hilarious. So for the background, this one is a PNG. This one is a JPG. It doesn't matter. The dimension it will fit no matter what. It'll automatically fit. As long as the name is the same, you're good to go. Exit, pull it up again. There you go. Now that's the background. You could even change these ones to anything you want. Doesn't even have to be a PNG. Sleeves. It's the cover. Cover 1 is your sleeves. Cover 2 is their sleeves. Remember, what you see is what you see, and what they see is what they see. So if you change your sleeves, it will see whatever sleeves they put on. So let's cover. I'm gonna go here, hit this cover, put it there. Just has to be the named cover. There you go. So that's background, sleeves. Now we're gonna do the field. Well, for the field, I know this is a mess right now. It's field 3. Where is that field 3? I'm gonna put it right. I'm gonna put it in here because if I put it here, that's gonna happen. So I'm just gonna make a new folder right there. Name it Edopro textures. Field 3 is going in there, and field 3 is gonna go in here. This one is a PNG file. To make it a PNG file, it doesn't even have to be a PNG file, right? Field 3, rename, copy, Control V, field 3. Doesn't have to be. Let's see. No, it doesn't even have to be. That's your field. But if you activate a field spell that can have this on here, not all field spells are in here. Like, for example, Numeron Network, because if you go to picks and you go to field, Numeron Network is not on here. I'll put a link in the description below of how to put this on here. This was already automatically on here on Edopro, but I did one for YGOPRO, and I'll put the links in the description. Now to stop that from happening, come on, give me Bostage. Oh, that want your field to stay on there without doing that, you're gonna have to go to field transparency. Where's that? Textures, field transparency 3. Right there. Just gonna put it in there. Field transparency 3. That has to be a PNG file. To change it to a PNG file, if it's a JPG, you just right click, open with Paint 3D, go to menu, go to save as, image, and then right here, save as type PNG. Then you save it into your desktop. There we go, that's field 3, transparency. So boss stage will not go on the field. Nope. There you go, guys. That's how to change the background, the sleeves, and the field. Sub if you liked it, like if you subbed it. See you guys.